In this video, we're going to determine the level of measurement for data shown in a graph from 1.2. The graph to the right shows the responses to a question, how serious is global warming? Identify the level of measurement of the data listed on the horizontal and the vertical axes in the graph. So the responses are A, B, C, D, or E. And A is very serious, B is somewhat serious, C is not too serious, D is not serious, and E is unsure. And the uh, the data on the vertical axis is shown as percentages. So the data on the horizontal axis is ordinal because it goes from highest to lowest that it's meaningful. It's kind of like first, second, third, fourth, fifth categories, numbered 1 to 5 like that. But we know that very serious is more serious than somewhat serious, but we don't know that the gap between them is the same for people. Identify the level of measurement of the data listed on the vertical axis. That's going to be ratio. Percentages have a real zero. That means zero. We can subtract them, add them, and get meaningful numbers. We can multiply and divide them and get meaningful numbers and so on. So their ratio. The graph to the right shows the number of cities with certain average annual rainfall amounts in inches. Identify the level of measurement of the data listed on the horizontal and vertical axes in the figure. So again, we have labels A through E, and they're listed 1 through 5 that are going to be the number of cities. And then on the vertical axis is going to be the annual rainfall, I assume in inches. It doesn't say what its unit is there, but it says up here that it's measured in inches. So it's that. So let's identify the level of measurement of the data on the horizontal axis. So those number of cities there that we're counting are going to be ratio there because they have an inherent zero that's meaningful. 0 cities is a real zero. And you can say 2 cities is twice as big as 1 city, 4 cities is twice as big as 2 cities, so on. Identify the level of measurement of the data listed on the vertical axis. That's also going to be ratio. You can say that 20 inches of rainfall is twice as much as 10 inches of rainfall, and you have a zero that's a real zero, that zero means zero in that case. All right. So that's it for this video, and we'll come back next time and start talking about 1.3. See you for the next video.